All right, well, I'm getting ready for lunch. Today I'm making chicken and smoked sausage pastalaya, combination Italian Cajun dish. So let's get started on Darlene's table. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of oil. I've already cooked my linguini. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, maybe a little more. 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. Add the parsley and mix. Cover it up. And put it over here. All right, in with the butter. We're going to brown the sausage and chicken first. I'll be doing this in batches because I'm using 2.5 pounds of chicken and 1 pound of the smoked sausage. All right, I'm going to put part of the brown sugar in here. Continue to brown it. A little more brown sugar. Okay, so remove this to a bowl and continue to brown the chicken and sausage until you're complete. More brown sugar. It was only 1/3 cup of brown sugar, but I spread it between each batch of chicken and sausage. Now I'm browning my mushrooms. Add the onions, bell pepper, celery, and the garlic. Saute this. Needed a little butter. It seemed to be getting just slightly dry. And that helps to deglaze the pan along with this white wine. Get all those really good brown bits up. Such flavor in that. All right, back in with the chicken and sausage. And I'm going to add my seasoning. I use Flap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. Add the tomatoes and green chilies. Cook this for a few minutes until the chicken's completely done. Add heavy cream. Now I'm going to add the Italian cheese. Now I did shred my own. I much prefer that to the packaged cheese, but you can buy the Italian cheese already shredded should you choose. Now I'll mix this real good with the cream. Let that cheese melt. And now I'm adding the linguini noodles that I prepared at the beginning, then tossed with olive oil and parsley. This was so good. I got this recipe from my cousin in Lafayette. Plate this up and we're done, except for the best part, which is eating it. Chicken and sausage pastalaya. This is an Italian Cajun fusion dish with a linguini pasta mixed with a chicken sausage jambalaya, and it's so good. With the Italian linguini cooked the traditional way, blended with the chicken and sausage, and then traditional Cajun spices, well, this'll blow your mind. I love linguini and I love jambalaya. When you put these together, I mean, who thought of this? Hats off to whoever did. So if you want to make this dish, then go to Darlene's table and find the recipe with all the ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give us a like and consider subscribing. That way you can keep up with what's going on here on Darlene's table.